Cisco community, hello. In this video, I'm going to show you how to configure a fabric extender on a Nexus 5000. Let's get started. First, let's do a show FEX, and here we can see that we have a 2148 that has been discovered. Let's now find out where it is connected on our Nexus 5000. It's plugged in on Ethernet 117. Let's look at our configuration. And 117 has nothing configured. So let's go ahead and configure our fabric extender. First step, we'll say switch port mode FEX fabric. And the second thing is to provide a number to our FEX. Since we're on port 17, let's use 117. And this is the only configuration you need to bring our the FEX online. If you are in scenarios where you would like to use VPC, obviously you will associate this port to a port channel, and that port channel will be under VPC. But as far as configuring the FEX, this is sufficient. Now let's go ahead and do a show FEX again. Here it says online sequence, and we can see in the syslog message here that FEX 117 just came online. So now if you do a show FEX again, we'll see that it's online and it's usable. If we do a show interface brief, we will see all the interfaces of the FEX, starting with 117, which is the FEX number, and the ports. So all those ports are the FEX ports, and you will make the configuration under your Nexus 5000.